Hello everybody, what's going on? Of course, my name is Joseph Red. Hello everybody, what's going on? Of course, my name is Joseph Red. We're back where we started from where there was the high drop. I just killed a few bad guys because I only just realised that I hadn't actually pressed the record button, which was stupid. Cover! Thanks. Die! Boom! Jump!
Where is he, Turner? Is he heading for the towers?
Confirmed. He's headed for those bell towers. You're on the wrong side, boss. Can you find a way across?
Think so. Yeah, this will be a way across. Oh, get away! Fall! No, I'm gonna fall. I died. My laugh is weird. Right, if I fail again, I'm gonna be really sad. Now, this time. No! Jerk! I'm gonna shoot you this time. From here. No! What's shooting from here? Fall to your doom! No! Why? Why? I was so close. Now, let's not do that again.
He's headed for those bell towers. You're on the wrong side, boss. Can you find a way across?
Yes. Can. And this time, I won't get owned by an idiot. What? Right, I completed on
Find cover, boss. There's a gunman in that bell tower. You'll have to take him out.
How are we going to stop a gunner in a bell tower? Wait, I have an idea. This may not work, but let's try it. I can't believe it actually worked. No, it didn't. It didn't work. Let me try again. Oh, right. Let's make this count. No? No? Yes, no, maybe no? No. On my way. Convenience. Right then, let's go face that punk. Oh no, he's got a gun. He's got a gun! Yeah? Okay. What is it? Yeah? Whoa. Lunch is the best meal. Well, it's the second best meal, isn't it? Since it's the second best. Well, yeah. Yes, please. Okay. Just a minute, get him across. Okay. Chicken is my favorite. Yummy. Right, sorry about that. So, take him. Yeah, good. Out. Whoa! No! Ow. Loser! Right, let's have another tomato. Let's have a next. Now. Alright,
You had to kill Mitchell. You couldn't have brought him in so that we could actually have learnt something.
Do we still have White?
He escaped. We're back to where we started. What do we know about Mitchell?
He was paid through a Haitian bank account funded by a businessman named Dominic Green.
I've just sent you his photograph. He's meeting someone here.
General Medrano. We've heard rumblings of a coup in Bolivia. Perhaps your man Green is involved as well. Bolivia is suffering a ferocious drought. People are desperate. Medrano's been undermining the government in hopes of taking over.
Can you ID the woman?
Camille Rivera, Bolivian Secret Service.
She tried to kill Medrano.
Hold on. Green's just filed flight plans for Bregenz, Austria.
Stay with him, Bond. Medrano will be easy to track. I want you on Green.
Tanner, Green's at the Bregenz Opera House.
Do you think we're wasting our time? Perhaps he just likes
An opera house. Cool.
If he does, he chose the wrong night. They're closed.
Bomb, the live feed box for the cameras is nearby. Patch in and you'll see what the cameras see.
Right. If you do like what you see, help smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Feel free to browse the rest of my channel. I'll see all you super cool guys later. Ciao.